Today's our topic of discussion is regulation of kidney functions. Let us discuss about regulation of kidney functions with the help of three hormones. Regulation of kidney functions with the help of three hormones. First hormone is antidiuretic hormone, is known as ADH, which is released by hypothalamus of brain. Second hormone is renin, which is released by juxtaglomerular apparatus or cell. Juxtaglomerular cell. Third hormone is atria natriuretic factor. Atria natriuretic factor is released by heart. Let us discuss these hormone one by one in detail. First hormone is antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone is released when blood water level decrease. When blood water level decrease or body fluid decreases, it activates osmoreceptor which is present in blood. Osmoreceptor gives signal to hypothalamus of brain. Activated osmoreceptor gives signal to brain such as hypothalamus. Hypothalamus stimulate pituitary gland. Pituitary gland having two lobes. Second lobe is called neurohypophysis. Hypothalamus stimulate pituitary gland and ask to release ADH hormone. Pituitary gland releases ADH hormone such as it is also known as vasopressin. What is the main function of ADH? ADH reabsorb water from nephron. ADH reabsorb water from PCT, DCT and lubophenol. Next, ADH prevent diuresis. ADH prevent diuresis, loss of minimum water from body, and also ADH increase blood pressure and glomerular filtration rate. ADH increase blood pressure and glomerular filtration rate. Next, deficiency of ADH leads to diabetes insipidus. If ADH undergoes hyposecretion or less secretion or hypersecretion. When ADH undergoes hyposecretion, it leads to urine output more. When urine output is more than 2 liters per day is called hyposecretion. If urine output is less, ADH undergoes hypersecretion. Hyposecretion leads to diabetes insipidus. Hyposecretion leads to release more urine is called diabetes insipidus. Next, what is the main role of ADH? ADH constricts the blood vessel. And increase blood pressure as well as increase glomerular filtration rate. Now we will discuss about our second hormone at renin. Our second hormone is renin. We are going to discuss about renin angiotensin aldosterone mechanism. Renin angiotensin aldosterone mechanism. When renin is released, if glomerular blood flow is low, a fall in glomerular blood flow, or glomerular blood pressure is low, or fall in glomerular filtration rate, It stimulates juxtaglomerular cell which is present in kidney. Juxtaglomerular cell release renin. This juxtaglomerular cell release renin hormone. What is the action of renin? It converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin first. What is the main action of renin? It converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin first. Angiotensin first gets convert with the help of angiotensin converting enzyme. Angiotensin first gets convert into angiotensin second with the help of angiotensin converting enzyme. This angiotensin second have some roles. Angiotensin second having different types of role. First role is it is a powerful vasoconstrictor. It constricts the blood vessels. What is the main role of angiotensin second? It is a powerful vasoconstrictor. It constricts blood vessels. Second, when blood vessel gets constricted, glomerular blood pressure increases as well as glomerular filtration rate increases. And third role of angiotensin second is it stimulates adrenal gland. Adrenal gland having two parts. Outer part is called adrenal cortex and release aldosterone. Angiotensin second stimulate adrenal gland. Adrenal gland having outer part is called adrenal cortex and release aldosterone. Let us discuss the function of aldosterone. Aldosterone having three different types of functions. First, aldosterone is released by adrenal cortex of adrenal gland. Second, aldosterone reabsorb sodium plus water from nephron. Aldosterone reabsorb sodium plus water from distal part of tubule such as nephron. Third role of aldosterone, it increase blood pressure. As well as glomerular filtration rate. It increase blood pressure as well as glomerular filtration rate. Our third hormone is ANF is released by heart. When blood pressure increases or glomerular filtration rate increases, blood pressure as well as glomerular filtration rate increases, our heart secrete ANF hormone. What is the long form ANF? It is atria natriuretic factor. What is the main role of ANF? It is a vasodilator. It dilates blood vessels. ANF dilates blood vessel and decrease blood pressure as well as ANF decrease glomerular filtration rate. Next, antagonist property. ANF and aldosterone having opposite mechanism. Aldosterone increase BP and increase glomerular filtration rate. Aldosterone increase BP and increase glomerular filtration rate. ANF decrease BP and decrease glomerular filtration rate. Thank you.